Heat gives an energy called heat energy. People feel heat energy is, heat is a form of energy. It's not a form of energy. Okay, heat gives. That's what I say. It is a transfer of energy. Heat is not a form of energy. It only transfers its energy, which is heat energy. And some people call it thermal energy. Thermal energy is not, and heat energy are not the same thing. Okay, heat is the movement, while thermal is the collection. In essence, thermal energy is a potential energy, while heat energy is a kinetic energy. Now, the transfer of energy from one body to another as a result of a difference in temperature is called heat. In essence, it is being transferred from a hotter body to a cooler body. It transfers from a hotter body to a cooler body. Now, that transfer of the energy, okay, this energy is heat energy. This energy is kinetic. It is the kinetic energy. Transfer of kinetic energy via heat energy. Okay, now energy we know is classified into two, the potential and the kinetic. So every form of energy falls under these two classes. If the energy talks about motion, then it's kinetic. If it talks about position, then it is potential. But heat is a transfer. Transfer means movement. In essence, it is the transfer of kinetic energy, the transfer of heat energy from one body to another, from a cooler object to a hotter, from a hotter object to a cooler object. Now, when this is being done, heat has been transferred. Take, for example, you put the water on the pot. Okay? You put a water on the pot. Now, the temperature of the water is of the pot. Now, when the heat comes, okay, the heat is being placed on the pot. In essence, there is a transfer of heat. There is a transfer of energy from the fire to the pot. Okay? So now energy from the fire to the pot. Now, when this fire is being transferred when this energy is transferred from the fire, which is heat, the fire brings heat. Okay? Now, when the heat comes, it transfers the energy. Now, it is the energy that will make it is because of the difference in temperature. Okay? Because of the difference in temperature, because of the difference in the kinetic energy. The heat is going to affect the water inside. Remember, the pot is the first thing that is going to be hot. In essence, the pot becomes the hotter body. Now, it is going to transfer its hotness to the water inside the pot. Why? First of all, the pot is hot, and the water inside will be cold. So in essence, there's a difference.